This pizza dough is for when you're on a diet but craving pizza. Into the blender goes cottage cheese, 2 eggs, a little flour, parmesan cheese, salt, and for flavor, garlic powder and dried thyme. We blend until everything turns smooth and creamy. At this point, it already smells so good, and we're just getting started. The dough is spread gently onto the parchment paper, shaped like a classic pizza base. Then it goes into the oven until golden, warm and lightly crisp. Next comes our homemade Pomodoro sauce. Rich, simple, and comforting. Fresh tomatoes and mozzarella are added on top. Back into the oven it goes just until tomatoes soften and the mozzarella melts perfectly. And finally, fresh basil to finish, bringing everything together with that irresistible aroma. Today, I'm making a high-protein pizza that's simple, comforting, and perfect for slow, cozy days. No complicated steps, just real ingredients blend together. If cozy, high-protein comfort food is your thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay for the next recipe.